Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add photos on TikTok. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up your TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the upload option at the right side of your screen. Select the picture you want to post and tap on the next button. Press the cross button at the top of the screen if you want to remove the sound that the TikTok automatically adds to your photos. Tap on the next button. Tap on post. And that's it. This is how you add photos on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thought, type them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we upload a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.